We're approaching Harmattan, and if you're very familiar with the weather, you would know that during Harmattan you get this lots and lots of chapped lips. This video is going to show you how you can prevent or avoid going through that chapped lips phase during winter or during Harmattan. First of all, I would have to advise that you stay away from using chapsticks or lip gloss because they're not going to do you any good whatsoever. We're going to be using natural ingredients for this remedy. You're going to love it because they're all edible, and even if they mistakenly get into your mouth, it's not going to be like it's nothing dangerous, and it's not going to be hazardous to your health. You're going to be needing honey, natural pure honey. Next thing that you're going to be needing is an abrasive. You could either use brown sugar, you could use white sugar, you could use salt, but I wouldn't advise you using salt. I like using bicarbonate of soda. And why I like using bicarbonate of soda is because the grains are fine, they still do a great job. You're also going to be needing coconut oil. Coconut oil has healing properties just like honey, and it's going to help keep your lips moisturized. Last but not the least, you're going to be needing cucumber. I'm going to tell you where this comes into play. So basically guys, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be making a scrub with this ingredient. You're going to apply it on your lips twice in a day. So you have to cleanse your lips, make sure you don't have any makeup products or any residue from whatever it is. I wash my lips with normal soap and water. If that is not enough, I use wipes to clean my lips so I know I have nothing there at all. First things first, in the morning I take a slice of cucumber just like this. I'm sure we all know what cucumber looks like, and I just put it on my lips. Cucumber has lots of water in it, so what it does is that it hydrates your lips. As at yesterday, I couldn't open my mouth. Like, my lips are still chapped. If you look, I'm going to come close for you. They're still very chapped, but at least now I can talk. As at yesterday, I couldn't open my mouth, and if I did open my mouth, I would just have a cut. I think I still have the cut here. Throughout yesterday, I was using cucumber, honey, and coconut oil, and well, it's a testimony. I can talk now. You're going to use a slice of cucumber. You put it on your lips. Leave it for as long as possible. Like, I actually even tied on my face. Like, literally, I get another rope and I just hold it there. So of course I'm not talking to anybody. If you want to communicate with me, it has to be after I'm done with this procedure. So you just put the cucumber slice on your lips and let it hydrate for as long as possible. I go here and then I go here. I just keep it as long as possible. I think I've repeated that too many times.
As long as possible.
Very important, so you get all the moisture from the cucumber. Can't spend all the video keeping this until the moisture comes out, but this you really need is even just barely doing this alone. I feel great. We're going to go ahead to make a scrub. So you're just going to be needing a little plate for your mixing, a teaspoon, and those ingredients that I mentioned earlier. So first, you don't need too much because it's just going to be for your lips. Just a little bit of this. The next thing I like to put is honey. Honey has healing properties. Burnt victims, they always advise they get natural honey and they use it on their scars. That goes there. There goes my honey. Just a little drop down with the honey. Oh. We have our honey and our bicarbonate of soda, which is also called baking soda, by the way. I'm going to add my coconut oil. All you need is a drop. I think I put 2 drops. But that was a mistake. We're not above mistakes. You put 1 drop, and all you need to do, that's it. You're going to turn it into a paste. I use my fingers to mix everything together. I did mention that everything is edible. Some people actually do drink their baking soda in water, so it's not poisonous to your system, but it shouldn't be excessive. So it's so little, but it's going to do the job just fine. You still have your slice of cucumber, just make your lips a little bit moist. Yeah. And then you go for this with your finger There you go. And scrub. Some people do use brush, like toothbrush, but I think that's like a little bit too much. You're going to end up damaging your lips than healing it. Let's keep scrubbing. I don't just concentrate on my lips, I still go over the lips. Because trust me, when the Harmattan comes, you need to. Just keep going. I know I look very horrible doing this one. My natural face. So this is just to give you guys a genuine and honest review about the natural products that I used to heal my cracked lips. This is exactly 4 days after the first day that I used the whole cucumber, coconut oil, honey and baking soda. I'm going to come close so you would be the judge. I'm pretty satisfied. So here it goes.